Buying diamonds on Mobile Legends with Google Play gift card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy Mobile Legend diamond with Google Play gift card. So let's get started. In order to do that, go to Google Play Store and then tap on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you have to go to the payment and subscription option that you can see right here. In the payment and subscription option, you will see an option redeem code. Click on this option and then enter code manually from your card. You can also scan your gift card by placing it under the camera after clicking on that option. Then your details will be added. After adding your card details, you just have to go to Mobile Legends in your phone and then you will be able to buy it with the help of Google Play Store gift card. And that's all. That's how you will be able to buy diamond with Google Play gift card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.